Hi everyone, Sandy here for Country Craft Creations and Authentique, sharing with you my little mini stocking stuffer album for pets. This is not to give to your pet, but to put in someone's stocking who does have pets. So this is really easy to make. It's featuring Authentique's Nostalgia paper collection, and the little album measures 4 by 4, and this is the showcase walkthrough video, and I will have a separate video for the tutorial. So let's get started on sharing what's in this little album. As I said, this measures 4 by 4 when it's completely closed up, and I cut out the words from one of the cut-aparts and arranged them on the front cover and used Nouveau's crystal glaze on them and let that dry. So here's the back, and it's held closed with a magnet. So when you open this up, if you open it up fully, it measures 10 by 15. So let me slide this up so I can show you what it looks like when you first open it up. So this is the inside cover. I have a little stop there with the belly band for different cut-aparts or pictures, photo mats. You want to be very careful with how many photos you put in or cut-aparts, because it is not a very thick little album, so it can get bulky and not close right. So each one has a little flap that is held closed with a magnet. So this one opens up for a little pocket here on the inside. I put some cut-aparts and a photo mat here. You can slide it under the belly band there. So that just slides in there. Be a cool place to put a gift card too if you were giving someone a gift card, maybe from PetSmart or somewhere for their favorite place to shop for their pet. So this closes up. You could put pictures on some of the blank sections. Like I did not add photo mats because I didn't want to make it too thick. Here on this one, I pieced it together so it would look like a full piece, but then I left it blank on the inside with no mats. And then this one flips up too. And I also left this one blank with just matted paper. So like I said, it's real quick to make. You can make it probably in an afternoon or a Saturday or something like that. It closes up like this. Check back for the tutorial. Bye-bye.